Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy M10, and this is going to be about my initial impressions of this particular device. M10 is the cheapest variant that you can buy in the M series of smartphone. 3GB RAM variant of this device is available for around 9,000 rupees, and the 2GB RAM variant will be available for around 7 to 8,000 rupees. I am not sure about the exact pricing as of shooting this video, but I am not sure if 2GB RAM variants should be allowed in 2019. But considering that the device will be priced at 7,000 or 8,000 rupees and it's a Samsung brand, I think that it's okay, considering 3GB RAM variant of the same device is available at the price tag of 9,000 rupees. Let's talk about the device, and I am talking about the 3GB RAM variant in this particular video, not the 2GB RAM variant. One good thing about the Samsung Galaxy M10, which should make you happy if you're planning to buy it, is that Samsung Galaxy M10 carries a lot from the Galaxy M20, and many of the things are exactly same on the Galaxy M10, such as the unibody plastic design, which will attract scratches pretty easily, dragon tail glass in the front, so using a case, and the screen protector is highly recommended from my side. Case is not provided in the box, which was quite surprising considering all other brands are providing a case in the box nowadays. This device's build quality, I think it's okay-ish, doesn't feel very premium considering other competition such as Realme C1, Redmi 6 Pro, Zenfone Max M2. This device does not look as good as those devices and does not feel very premium to hold in hand as well. It's very prone to attract fingerprints as well at the backside. The device comes with Infinity V display, which is one of its kind in this budget segment of like 7 to 9,000 rupees. There is no other device which will give you Infinity V display. I'm not saying that it's like bezel-less display. There are big bezels at the sides, not big actually. Basically, the display is more than just acceptable at this particular price point, and display looks fantastic in my opinion. If you're planning to unlock this device with the fingerprint sensor, then don't try that because the device does not have a fingerprint sensor. At least the 9,000 variant should have fingerprint sensor in my opinion, because all other devices are having it. But face unlock feature is present on the device, which you have to use because you don't have any other option to unlock the device. And this is a 6.2 inch 720p display and not a 1080p display, and I'm glad that the device comes with a 720p display because the processor is Exynos 7870, which would have performed badly if this device was launched with a 1080p display. Processor is something, once again, as I said in my M20's video, going to be probably the weakest link of this device. Realme C1 is available with a Snapdragon 450 processor at a similar price, and Zenfone Max M2 with Snapdragon 632 is available at a price tag of 10,000 rupees, or Zenfone Max Pro M1 is available at a price tag of 10,000 rupees, which drops to around 9,000 rupees in sales, with Snapdragon 636 processor. Processor is going to be the weakest link in my opinion of the M series of devices, because as I said, display is fantastic. I know this is a 720p display, which is easy to notice if you are moving from a 1080p display to 720p display, but at this budget I'm okay with a 720p display, but I was not really okay with the processor choice of Samsung, but we can't really do much about that. Device comes with a similar camera setup as compared to Samsung Galaxy M20, but let me tell you that the actual camera sensor is different as compared to M20 on this device. So don't expect exactly same performance, but you can expect similar performance with the rear facing camera on this device. And the rear facing camera has f1.9 aperture, whereas the front camera is a 5 megapixel camera, and the sample shots were not that impressive considering the budget of 9,000 or 7,000 rupees. I can't complain much. Overall camera experience was good as compared to other devices available in the similar price range. The device has a back firing speaker, not even a bottom firing speaker on this one. Samsung Galaxy M20 comes with a bottom firing speaker. I'm like, and the speaker quality is just okay-ish. We'll talk more about that in our review. Display is fantastic, so if the speaker quality or speaker was present at the bottom side and if the speaker was a little bit louder, it could have been a much better media machine, but it's not as of now. The speaker is just okay-ish. The device comes with a micro USB port. It would have been mind-boggling to have a USB Type-C port on Galaxy M10, but it does not come with that. And this device comes with a 3400 mAh battery with no fast charging supported, but the battery will get you through a day without any issues. The device comes with Samsung Experience 9.5 UI, If you are used to stock Android, then this can be a little bit overwhelming for you. Lot of colors, lot of different icons. But if you are moving from another Samsung device, or if you are planning to upgrade from a J series or on series device, then this will be fantastic UI for you and you will feel at home with this one. All the Samsung Experience UI features are present over here, such as themes, call recording, internal audio recording is present on this device as well. If you decide to buy the 2GB RAM variant of this device and you want to expand the storage, not RAM, storage, then dedicated microSD card slot is present on this device. 2 SIM cards will not be affected if you install or insert a memory card in this device. Dual 4G and dual VoLTE is supported with the Exynos 7870 processor on the Samsung Galaxy M10. That's something to take a note of as well. Galaxy M10 with 7,000 or 9,000 rupees will give you auto brightness sensor. No gyroscope sensor is present here. Gyroscope sensor should have been there, but the device comes with accelerometer and the auto brightness sensor, so I can't complain much about that as well. So overall, what do I think about the Samsung Galaxy M10? In my initial impressions, I found that the device is good for its price. Exynos 7870 is going to be the weakest link of this device. Other than that, the device does fantastic job of competing against other brands or other devices present in the similar price range. We'll talk about in detail of this device in our review, which will be coming out pretty soon, whether you should buy it or not. As of now, I'm going to put it on hold because we need to test this one more, because I ended up spending a lot of time with the M20. I have already posted a mini review of this device, which will be linked in the I button over here, or which will be present at the end of this video. So just wait for a few more days and my review of the Samsung Galaxy M10 will be up on the channel as well. And if you don't want to miss that video, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.